Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to find Roblox server region. Let's dive in. First of all, join any Roblox game. Once you are in, we will use a tool to find out the server's region. Now press Shift F3 on your keyboard. This opens the performance stats overlay, where you can see your current ping and region latency. The lower your ping, the closer the server is to your physical location. For example, low ping typically means the server is in your region, while high ping might indicate an international server. For more details, you can use third-party tools like a packet sniffer or network monitor to trace the server's IP addresses. Be cautious and follow Roblox's guidelines when using such tools. And there you have it. While Roblox doesn't explicitly show server regions, these tips can help you estimate where you are playing. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.